Bool values are commonly produced by Python's relational operators, which can be used for comparing objects. The relational operators are sometimes called the comparison operators. These include value equality and inequality, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to. Two of the most widely used relational operators are Python's equality and inequality tests, which actually test for equivalence or inequivalence of values. That is, two objects are equivalent if one could be used in place of the other. We'll learn more about the notion of object equivalence later in the course. For now, we'll simply compare integers. Let's start by assigning or binding a value to a variable g. We test for equality with a double equals operator, or for inequality using the not equals operator. We can also compare the order of quantities using the so-called rich comparison operators, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to.